Hello everyone, good day to you all. Today I am with another geometry chapter, areas related to circles. In my previous session I have given brief introduction on a chapter circles. Please watch the video using link provided in the description for your better understanding. In today's session let us discuss some formulae for areas related to circles. We know that the collection of all points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point is called circle. Now you can see the picture on the screen. So circle nothing but a collection of all points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point is called circle, and that fixed point is called center of the circle and the fixed distance is called radius of the circle. Now let us recall what is the formula to find the area of a circle. What is the formula, children, to find the area of circle? A is equal to pi r square square unit. Then what is the area of the semicircle? What do you mean by semicircle? You can see the picture on the screen. Semicircle nothing but it is a half of the circle. The area of the semicircle is half of the area of the circle. It is pi r square. That is pi r square divided by 2 square units. Now let us learn area of the quadrant of the circle. What do you mean by quadrant of a circle? 1/4 part of a circle is called quadrant of a circle. You can see the picture on the screen. 1/4 of the part of a circle is called quadrant of a circle. Now area of the quadrant of a circle is 1/4 of the area of the circle. It is pi r square. That implies pi r square divided by 4 square units. Now let us learn circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle, you know that the formula to find the circumference of the circle, it is C equal to 2 pi r units. It is a boundary of a circle is called circumference. Circumference of the semicircle, that is half of the circumference. Half of the circumference of the circle is called circumference of the semicircle. So half of get cancelled, that implies C is equal to pi r units. Now perimeter of the semicircle. What do you mean by perimeter of the semicircle, children? You can see the picture on the screen. Perimeter of the semicircle nothing but circumference of semicircle plus diameter. Circumference of the semicircle is pi r unit plus diameter. Diameter you can write as d, that implies pi r. Diameter is twice the radius, or radius is half of the diameter. So now here r is common, so pi plus 2 units. This is a perimeter of the semicircle. Now let us learn what do you mean by sector of a circle. A circular region enclosed by 2 radii and an arc is called sector of a circle. Now you can see the diagram, children. So O is the center of a circle and OA and O are the 2 radii of a circle, and the circular region enclosed by 2 radii and corresponding arc is called sector of a circle. There are 2 arc, children. AB is a 1 arc, it is minor arc, and AC, you can see here, this is a ACDB is a major arc. Now a circular region enclosed by 2 radii and minor arc is called minor sector, and a circular region, you can see here children, a circular region enclosed by two radii and major arc is called major sector. Now O, A, B is minor sector. O, A, C, D, B is called major sector. Now how to find the length of the minor arc AB? Now the angle formed between these two radii, let it be theta. Then we can find the length of the minor arc AB using the formula. Now how to find the length of the major arc ACDB? Now angle AOB, if this is theta degree, then outer angle this will be 360 degree minus theta. You know that 360 degree is a complete angle. So this angle will be 360 minus theta degree. Now how will you find the length of the major arc ACDB? Using the formula 360 degree minus theta divided by 360 degree into 2 pi r units. Now formula to find the minor sector. First let us find the formula to find the minor sector. The formula is theta by 360 degree into pi r square units. Now area of the major sector OACDB, that is 360 degree minus theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square units. Now let us learn segment of a circle. What do you mean by segment of a circle? A region bounded by a chord and an arc is called segment of a circle. A region bounded by a chord and minor arc is called minor segment. ACB is a minor arc and ABC, this region we call it as minor segment. So this region is called major segment and a region bounded by a chord and minor arc is called minor segment. Now let us find the area of the minor segment. How to find the area of the minor segment, children? Now I will join OA and OB. Now these are the two radii of the circle. Now OACB is called sector of a circle. From the sector of a circle, if you subtract area of a triangle, you will get area of the minor segment, isn't it? Area of the sector OACB minus area of the triangle OAB, you will get area of the minor segment. Let me write here, area of sector OACB minus area of a triangle OAB. You will get area of minor segment. What is the formula to find the area of sector, children? That is theta by 360 degree into pi r square minus area of a triangle, that is half into base into height. If this is an equilateral triangle, if OAB is an equilateral triangle, don't apply half into base into height, children. There is one more formula, area of equilateral triangle A equal to root 3 into side square divided by 4 square units. If this is a equilateral triangle, then you have to find the area of a equilateral triangle using the formula A equal to root 3 side whole square divided by 4 square units. If it is a right angle triangle, then you use half into base into height. Now how will you find area of a major segment? Area of a circle minus area of a minor segment. Area of the circle pi r square square units minus area of the minor segment. You already know how to find the area of a minor segment, that is theta by 360 degree into pi r square minus half into base into height. So you can find the area of the major segment using the formula pi r square minus theta by 360 degree into pi r square minus half base into height. Don't buy it, children. Try to understand area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. You will get area of the major segment. Now let us learn how to find the areas of circular ring. What do you mean by circular ring, children? The areas between two concentric circles is called circular ring. Now area of the circular ring. What is the formula to find the area of the circle? Outer circle, that is area of the outer circle, it is pi r2 square minus area of the inner circle, that is pi r1 square. So pi you can take common outside, children. So r2 square minus r1 square. This is a formula to find the areas of the circular ring. This is all about today's session. In my next video, let us start to solve exercise problems. Till then, write and practice these all the formulae. If you like our video, please press like button and do subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.